You decide that filing bankruptcy is the right decision for you. You seek out an attorney and you decide that, like your law firm, can best serve your needs. You come in and we go over your options and we give you some homework on information to provide us. We ask for paycheck stubs, taxes, some information on your expenses, and your creditors. And then you ask, well, wait a minute, if I'm doing all this work, why do I need an attorney? That's a pretty simple answer. Bankruptcy petition has to be filed whether you are represented by an attorney or not. You're held to the same standard. There are certain schedules and forms and documents that have to be filed and turned over to the trustee. If they're not filed or turned over to the trustee, the court can dismiss your case. If your case is dismissed, you're now out the time that you put into doing it yourself and the court costs. You'd still have the debt also. You'd then have to pay additional court costs to refile and likely at that point still hire an attorney to help you with all of the forms. You're signing all the documents under penalty of perjury that they're true and accurate. I did not understand the form. It's not a defense to that. So you want to make sure you really do understand the forms, and a bankruptcy attorney who works with the forms every day can best help you with that. The exemptions that are available to protect your assets do vary based on what state you live in or have lived in the past 3 years, how many dependents you have, and there's lots of factors that go into that. So that's something, again, that an attorney can better advise you on. The trustee can liquidate property that is not exempt. And in Chapter 7, you do not have a voluntary right to dismissal. So that means if you file a Chapter 7 for yourself and the trustee finds assets, you very well may be stuck with the trustee liquidating those assets. In short, it's really not worth having the risk of all these issues. You want to first start, so hire an attorney and make sure it's done right the first time. Keep in mind, the attorney has no way of knowing personally what debt or property you have or you have accumulated. While we can run your credit report for you to get you started, there's still some work on your end that you'll need to do. And the amount of work that's required certainly is worth getting rid of all of your debt.